To generate a reconciliation report, from the Reports tab, click on Bill Reports. The reports found here provide information about the status of our pallet accounts. By default, the Report Options form opens to a summary reconciliation report, and this is what we'll focus on in this video. A reconciliation report compares our physical equipment quantities with the closing balance on our previous supplier invoice and is used to summarise our pallet position after reconciling a bill and entering stock takes. In the Location TP field, we can select an individual location, or we can choose to use the default setting of combined locations. To report on a specific piece of equipment, select it from the drop-down list and enter the date for which we want 2RC pallets to report stock levels. By default, a 6-month variance summary is included. Keeping this box checked means a graph of the closing variance between book stock and supplier stock will be visible on the report. Clicking on Open Report generates the report in PDF format. Next to each location in the Physical Count section, the date of the last stock take is displayed. This allows us to easily identify if any locations did not submit a stock take. The location counts combine to form the operating stock. This summary report identifies any quantities owed by and to third parties due to exchanges. A detailed reconciliation report will show who these trading partners are and the length of time the pallets have been owing. Book stock is the combination of operating stock and owed to and owed by third-party stock. The date of the bill confirms that the most recent bill has been imported. The Unprocessed Transfer On and Issue Movements list shows the total number of pallets yet to be invoiced onto our account. Continual high figures here may indicate that our trading partners are failing to submit dockets to the supplier for processing, or that we are creating non-genuine duplicates during the reconciliation process by accepting instead of matching. The Unprocessed Transfer Off and De-hire Movements list shows the total number of pallets yet to be invoiced off of our account. Continual high figures here may indicate missed export batches to the supplier. A detailed reconciliation report contains a breakdown of every transaction included in these totals for further investigation. The supplier stock is the closing balance plus any unprocessed transfer on movements minus any unprocessed transfer off movements. This includes issues, de-hires, rejections and corrections. The variance is the difference between the book stock and the supplier stock. The adjusted variance takes into consideration the quantities that have not been reconciled to the bill. Unreconciled movements are transactions that appeared on the invoice but are still in the imported movements form as they are yet to be accepted, rejected or matched. This section will be visible on the reconciliation report if any of the bills dated on or before the report date have not been fully reconciled.